Step into a world where nature's humble sugar beet transforms into the dazzling white crystals that sweeten our lives, a world pulsing with the roar of machines, the earthy aroma of fresh beets, and the relentless rhythm of a sugar mill in full swing. Welcome to an epic, cinematic journey through the heart of a sugar factory, where tons of beets are churned into mountains of pure sweetness in a process that's equal parts science, art, and raw industrial power. This isn't just a factory tour. It's an exclusive, behind-the-scenes adventure that unveils the alchemy of sugar production. From sprawling fields to gleaming conveyor belts, we're about to reveal secrets that'll make you see every spoonful of sugar in a whole new light. Buckle up for a thrilling ride that'll keep you hooked for the next 15 minutes. Our tale begins in the vast, rolling fields of the countryside, where the sugar beet are rugged, bulbous, root reins, supreme. Bathed in golden sunlight, these beets grow quietly beneath the soil, their sweetness building with every drop of water and ray of sun. Farmers, the unsung heroes of this story, tend to their crops with a near-obsessive care, ensuring the soil is a perfect loamy, nutrient-rich, and just moist enough to coax the beets to their full potential. Did you know that a single beet can hold up to 20% of its weight in sugar? That's a staggering amount for a vegetable that looks more like a muddy rock than a sweet treasure. By late autumn, when the beets are brimming with sucrose, the fields come alive with the rumble of harvesters, ready to unearth this hidden gold. The harvest is a spectacle of raw power and precision. Enormous machines, like mechanical giants, sweep across the fields, gently lifting beets from the earth in a dance of steel and soil. Each beet, weighing up to 2 pounds, is plucked with care, leaving behind a trail of rich, dark earth. The scale is mind-blowing. A single field can yield tens of thousands of tons, with each ton capable of producing roughly 300 pounds of pure sugar. That's enough to sweeten millions of cups of coffee or bake countless cakes. As the beets are loaded onto trucks, their earthy scent fills the air, a reminder of their humble origins. These trucks, brimming with potential, rumble toward the sugar mill, where the real transformation begins. As the trucks roll into the mill, they're greeted by towering weigh stations, their scales humming as they measure the bounty of each load. Picture mountains of beets piling high, their reddish-brown skins catching the light like rugged jewels. Before they can become sugar, these beets need a serious bath. They tumble into massive washing drums, where high-pressure water jets blast away dirt, rocks, and debris in a chaotic, satisfying cascade. It's like a car wash for vegetables, with beets rolling and bouncing until they emerge gleaming and clear. The water, cleverly recycled in a closed-loop system, reflects the mill's commitment to sustainability. A small but vital detail in this colossal operation. Now spotless, the beets are ready for their moment in the spotlight. The next stage is a whirlwind of precision, slicing. Inside the factory, giant graters spin at dizzying speeds, shredding the beets into thin noodle-like strips called cassettes. This isn't just chopping, it's a calculated move to maximize surface area, making it easier to extract every drop of sweetness. The cassettes spill onto conveyor belts, their pale fibrous texture a stark contrast to the tough beets they once were. The air hums with the rhythmic whir of machinery, and a faint, sweet aroma begins to drift through the factory, hinting at the magic to come. Fun fact, these graters can slice through thousands of tons of beets in a single day, turning mountains of roots into a sea of cassettes in mere hours. Now, we plunge into the heart of the process: diffusion. The cassettes are swept into enormous tanks, where they steep in hot water like tea leaves in a colossal, industrial brew. The heat gently coaxes out the sucrose, creating a rich amber juice that pulses with sweetness. This isn't a haphazard soak, it's a meticulously controlled process, with temperatures and timing fine-tuned to extract every possible gram of sugar. The leftover beet pulp, now stripped of its sweetness, is whisked away to become nutrient-rich animal feed, a byproduct so valuable that farmers clamor for it. Did you know that some mills even use this pulp to generate energy, burning it to power parts of the factory? It's a brilliant example of how nothing goes to waste in this intricate dance of production. The sweet juice, still raw and cloudy with impurities, embarks on a purification odyssey. It flows through a labyrinth of filters, where lime and carbon dioxide work in tandem to trap unwanted particles, transforming the murky liquid into a clearer, golden thin juice. This juice is then fed into massive evaporators, towering steel giants that hum with heat and steam. Here, the juice is gently boiled, its excess water rising in swirling clouds as it thickens into a syrupy amber elixir. The factory feels alive, each machine a vital cog in a relentless, awe-inspiring system. The energy is electric. The air, thick with the promise of sweetness as the syrup grows richer and more concentrated. We've reached the crystallization stage, where the true magic of sugar takes shape. The syrup is fed into vacuum pans, where it's boiled under precise conditions to coax sugar crystals into existence. These tiny grains, sparkling like miniature diamonds, grow steadily in a thick, molasses-like liquid. It's a mesmerizing sight, like watching a galaxy form in slow motion. The mixture is then spun in high-speed centrifuges, massive machines that roar like jet engines, separating the pure, white sugar crystals from the dark, bittersweet molasses. The molasses, by the way, isn't discarded, it's saved for everything, from baking to brewing, a versatile byproduct with a rich, complex flavor. A single centrifuge can process thousands of pounds in minutes, a testament to the sheer scale of this operation. The sugar crystals, now pristine and gleaming, are dried and cooled in a final flurry of activity. Conveyor belts carry them through a gauntlet of quality checks, ensuring every grain is perfect. The air is filled with a faint, sweet scent of success as the sugar is sorted into granules of varying sizes, some fine enough for your morning coffee, others coarse for industrial baking. Automated systems package the sugar into bags, boxes, or massive bulk containers, each sealed with precision to lock in freshness. The factory's rhythm is relentless, yet graceful, a symphony of engineering honed over decades. Did you know that? Some mills produce enough sugar in a day to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. The scale is almost unimaginable. But let's zoom out for a moment to see the bigger picture. Sugar isn't just a pantry staple, it's a global force, woven into the fabric of cultures and cuisines worldwide. From the delicate pastries of Parisian patisseries to the vibrant sweets of festivals in India, sugar shapes moments of joy and connection, yet it's not without its challenges. Health concerns have sparked debates, pushing the industry to innovate with organic options and sustainable practices. Some mills power their operations with renewable energy, like burning beet pulp or using solar panels, blending tradition with cutting-edge eco-consciousness. It's a reminder that this industry, while rooted in age-old processes, is always looking to the future. As our tour draws to a close, picture the final product. Towering piles of sugar, sparkling under the factory lights, ready to sweeten the world. The beets that began as seeds in a farmer's field have completed an epic journey, transformed by human ingenuity and the relentless pulse of the mill. It's a process that's both humbling and exhilarating, a testament to the effort behind the everyday things we take for granted. Next time you stir sugar into your tea or bite into a warm, gooey cookie, think of this adventure. From field to factory, from beet to crystal, a story of grit, precision, and a touch of magic. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the sugar mill. If you've been captivated by the roar of machines, the sparkle of crystals, and the sheer wonder of it all, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Craving more behind-the-scenes looks at the processes that shape our world? Hit subscribe and ring the bell. We've got a treasure trove of satisfying, cinematic adventures waiting for you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep marveling, and keep savoring the sweetness of life.